Today, Vivo announced the expansion of its X200 series to Western markets. Both the X200 Pro and X200 are coming west. However, Vivo has yet to name either model's global price and availability. Vivo did launch both in India yesterday, prices in tow. The X200 comes in two configurations, 12/256 GB and 16/512 GB, starting from 65,999 Indian rupees, $780/Euro 740, while the X200 Pro's 16/512 GB is 94,999 Indian rupees, $120/Euro 065. The Vivo X200 Pro Mini is sadly staying a China exclusive. Vivo reportedly has no plans to launch even the next generation's Mini globally, and the same is likely of the upcoming X200 Ultra. The Vivo X200 Pro has an impressive camera system with a 50MP 1/1.28 main camera, an even more impressive 200MP 1/1.4 85mm zoom camera, and a 50MP 1/2.76 ultra-wide. The X200 has less impressive main, 50MP 1/1.56, and 70mm zoom, 50MP 1/1.95, cameras and the same ultra-wide and selfie. Battery-wise, the X200 Pro packs a 6,000 mAh unit, while the X200 has a 5,800 mAh one. The Vivo X200 Pro and X200 are available in 5 colors: titanium, black, green, white, and blue. We'll keep you posted if a price and date become available.